Hello and welcome to Sri online classes. I am Nisha. Today we are going to learn about fundamental rights in Indian Constitution. So let's start. First of all, what is fundamental rights? So, the fundamental rights are defined as the human rights of all citizens. These rights are prescribed in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution, applied irrespective of race, caste, place of birth, religion, creed, or gender. So we have 6 fundamental rights. What are those? Let's see. Right to equality, Article 14 to 18. Second, right to freedom, Article 19 to 22. Third, right against exploitation, Article 23 to 24. Fourth, right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28. Fifth, cultural and educational rights, Article 29 to 30. Last, right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. Now let's have a look on the nature of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are equal for all. Rights are justifiable. Article 32 states that it limits the authority of central and state governments. Fundamental rights distinguish between citizens and foreign nationals. It can be suspended during emergency except Article 20 and Article 21. Now what is Article 20 and 21? Let's see. Article 20 means protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. Parliament can amend fundamental rights. Let's elaborate the 6 rights. So, right to equality, Article 14 to 18. What it says? It says, the right to equality states that equality before the law, the prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, creed, place of birth, gender, or gender identity. Equality of opportunity in matters of employment. Second is right to freedom, Article 19 to 22. The right to freedom includes freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association or union or cooperative movements, residence and right to practice any profession or occupation. Third is right against exploitation, Article 23 to 24. Right against exploitation prohibits all forms of forced labor, child labor, and trafficking of human beings. Child under age of 14 are not allowed to work. Fourth, right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28. Right to freedom of religion includes freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion, and freedom to manage religion affairs. I hope you understood. Fifth, cultural and educational rights, Article 29 to 30. The cultural and educational rights preserve the right of any section of citizens to conserve their culture, language or script, and right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice. Okay? And the last one is right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. The right to constitutional remedies is present for enforcement of fundamental rights. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called this act the fundamental of fundamental rights and the heart and soul of the Constitution. Okay, students, यहाँ पे ध्यान देने वाली बात ये है कि अगर हमारी फंडामेंटल राइट्स कोई वायलेट करता है तो ये सीधा सुप्रीम कोर्ट में इसकी सुनवाई होगी, मतलब हियरिंग होगी। ठीक है, हमें हमेशा अपने फंडामेंटल राइट्स याद होने चाहिए और इसे प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए। और हमें सिर्फ फंडामेंटल राइट्स ही नहीं, हमें कुछ ड्यूटीज भी दी गई हैं जिन्हें हमें फॉलो करना चाहिए। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। आई होप आप सबको ये समझ में आया होगा। थैंक यू फॉर कोऑपरेटिंग एंड लिसनिंग टू मी। थैंक्स अ लॉट।